Keep your health and weight loss plan simple. One message I drill into my clients is simplicity equals success, complexity equals collapse. You could have the greatest plan in the world, but if it is too complex for you to implement, you're not going to make any progress. The more complex a plan is, the more likely you are to give up. Or you may simply get lost in all of the requirements and have a hard time being consistent. Either way, you won't get to your goals. You have to simplify your plan, break it down into small, actionable steps that gives you victory regularly, and this will help to keep you on track. If you're able to see small wins regularly, this is another form of motivation. And yes, I said momentum trumps motivation, but it doesn't mean you can't utilize motivation to your benefit. So if you're feeling lost in your health and weight loss plan, it's not your imagination. It's just too complex for you to implement consistently. With a complex plan, there are two things you should be asking yourself. One is, are all of these steps really required? Is this really necessary for me to see success? And number two is, if these steps are necessary, how can I break this down and simplify the process so that I can be successful? When you are very obese and chronically ill, you already have a lot going on in regards to your health and your weight and the impact it's having on your quality of life. That makes it even more paramount to implement a simple plan that you can be consistent with. And this is what helps me to be successful with my clients, simplifying a health and weight loss regimen and providing actionable steps that they can implement and help them get to their goals. So don't give up on your health and weight loss journey because of complexity. Remember, simplicity equals success.